doing some research, Professor, in polymers for solar cells. Tell us a little bit about your recent breakthrough.
Okay, thank you. First, thank you for coming. And then, so we have been working on the things called organic or polymer solar cell for the past 10 years. So the difference compared to the polymer to other inorganic like silicon solar cell is that is easy to process. So I can show you one example. So this is one example that we have a startup company not far away from here called Solomon. So this is in their machine. They coat the films in a roll-to-roll coating process. So this solar cell has not put down electrode yet. It's just the material is laid down on the top. So that's how the future solar cell from plastic will looks like. And then so it's a roll. You can think about it's a roll coating machine, roll-to-roll coating machine, and the solar cell just continuous coat. And the raw material actually is not too much different looks compared to the chemical polymer in this jar. So what we do is dissolve this polymer into a solvent. So it's a liquid. It's a liquid semiconductor. Compared to silicon, it's a wafer. So we can, once it's a liquid, you are able to coat different ways, like a spray coating or other coat. In the case of the Star company, they do the so-called roll-to-roll coating process. So our recent breakthrough is that we know the solar sun, the energy from the sun is very broad spectral. It covers all the way from infrared to visible, which we see things, and to UV. The difficulty of this material is only solve a narrow window of the solar spectrum. So our recent breakthrough is, can we actually put 2 materials or 3 materials to cover the whole spectrum? Okay. So basically we call tandem solar cell. So just like a double-decker bus. You think one layer of the bus you can carry certain number of passengers. You add another layer, you can double the capacity. So that's the basic principle of taking 2 different materials and then layer them, stacking them 2 layers, so we can cover broader coverage.